Good morning, boys and girls. Today's story I'm going to read to you is called Surprise in the Meadow. Spring had come to the meadow. Little Chipmunk woke from his long winter sleep. He was hungry. He remembered the seeds he had buried last fall. They had been so delicious. Little Chipmunk went to his hiding place, but he found no seeds, only the shoots of a mysterious plant. His seeds had disappeared. The spring sun was warm. The mysterious shoot grew taller and taller. The plant continued to grow and grow, bigger than Bluebell, bigger than Black-eyed Susan, even bigger than Queen Anne's lace. As the summer grew hotter, the stream dried up, the grass yellowed, and the flowers wilted. Suddenly, the sky grew dark. Splash! A drop fell and another and another. It rained all day and all night. The stream filled, the grass was green, and the flowers were beautiful again. The big plant had a gigantic golden flower shining like the sun. "Sunflower," Little Chipmunk called. Soon the meadow grew cool and crisp. Fall was coming. Little Chipmunk gathered food for the winter. The sunflower's head changed from brilliant yellow to a brown that darkened every day. One blustery afternoon, a strong wind blew through the meadow, shaking the sunflower from side to side. Little Chipmunk watched a brown hailstorm coming down from the sunflower's head. When the wind settled beneath the sunflower, Little Chipmunk found hundreds of brown seeds. He bit into one. It tasted just like the seeds he had been looking for in the spring. His seeds had not disappeared after all. He buried some of the seeds and filled his belly with the rest for the long winter ahead. The end.